Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you.
Welcome back, guys. I'm here with Slay and Go. I am excited. I love how sleek their packaging is. It's so calm and just like, it's cute. I really love it. Oh, I thought it was fully wrapped. I got, these are the goodies I got inside. I got a pair of wig caps, a rat tail comb, a patterned elastic headband. I got a pair of lashes. I got some clips. I got 2 section clips. And finally, let's get into the wig. It's branded again Slay and Go. Okay, it's giving luxury though. I love how luxurious this packaging feels. Like the minimalistic vibes, it's giving. This is the wig that we're working with for today. I absolutely love this. It's like a long bob. My gosh, this is so soft and silky. Oh wow, this feels like I can feel the quality. Like no lie, like this feels really good. You can tell this is a top tier hair company. And then a fian nothing. This is something serious, okay? This is the wig you pull out when you have that event and you have to show up as that girl. They call it Nia, okay? It's a long bob, as I said, and it's a 13 by 6 lace front. All right, and it's lightly bleached knots for the constructed lace. It's a natural color, as you can tell, and the length is 15 inches long. All right, it's a medium cap. It's also 140% in density, so it is very, very lightweight. I must say though, it's still very full, and for a bob you don't want it to look like a helmet, so you need to make sure that even though you want that dense look, you don't want it to look overly dense and like bulky. So I think this density so far is really like realistic and healthy looking. It doesn't look sparse, it doesn't look thin. All right, because we do not do that. That's what we do not do. All right, it looks very good, I have to admit. And it is a 13 by 6, mostly in the mid portion here. On the side it's a less depth, and there's a total of 4 combs on the inside of the cap, 2 on the sides, 1 in the front, 1 in the back. And you can cut off this piece of lace. It's also tagged, but yeah, it's a pretty decent construction of the wig. It came with the center part. Okay, so I just adjusted the straps in the back of the wig, you know, did a ball cap method. I'm actually going to, you know, do a few layers of glue today. This is gonna be my look for the next couple of days, so I'm pretty excited. So I'm gonna do like a nice little glue install of this wig. I feel like they took their time to construct this. Now it is pre-plucked, but if you want more graduation, you could go in and definitely pluck more, give it like a deeper graduation. That is just if you want though. It looks good as is, and so that's, I'm showing you that you could definitely go ahead and install it straight out of the box as is, and it will look bomb. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut away the excess from the ears. And already I can see how sleek and nice this is gonna be. I'm so excited. So I'm going in with my Lace Be Gone glue, and that's our adhesive for the day. Okay, so I'm just gonna speed through these portions, nothing that you haven't seen before.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please
adding my edges, and the hair is so sleek. You know, this is straight out of the packaging. I haven't done anything to it as yet, so yeah, I'm gonna go with a bust down middle part. You know the vibes, but of course you have enough parting space to go ahead and give it a side part. You know, if you wanna, you know, do like 2 braids or something, you know, just be versatile, you can do that. Okay, so yeah, that's giving scalp. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a center part, and of course you can get a nice deep part with this because it's a 13 by 6.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's true, I'm digging you.
Look at this. This is bomb. This is too bomb. Look at that movement. It moves like butter. Like, be for real. What? Slay and go. Yeah, slay, literally. You guys know we're entering bob season, right? And I 10 out of 10, 100% recommend this long bob right here. It is giving, like, this is nothing but quality. This is top tier. Look at that. I didn't have to use any product to redefine the parting. By the way, it just looks like scalp. Okay, it looks like scalp. It is so good. I absolutely love. I feel like I made the right decision to go bust down middle part because it's giving what it's supposed to give. The blunt cut, everything is just so precise and neatly done. I mean, from the presentation of the packaging to the thorough quality of the wig, it's just chef's kiss. I really am so pleased. Like, I really am praying that it translates just as much through the camera, because nothing I hate more than a stiff bob, and this is not that. Okay, the movement is beautiful. Everything is just so neat and sleek. It's giving clean girl. It's giving boss babe. Love it, love it. Let me know what you guys think about today's wig look. I can't wait to go ahead and get glam tomorrow. Like, I mean, right now I'm rocking a very neutral beat, as you can see, very natural vibe, and it's just like, so good. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, all the specifications, if there are any discount or any sale going on, anything like that, because you know it's springtime. I'll put that down below. Shout out to Slay and Go once more for today's bomb wig look. I am so happy with it. But yeah, that's it for now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and big up on yourself. Bye.